Another unused toolbox in the shed of my mind. Gears don't turn, but the ghost still grind. Spider webs stitch the bolts I never turned. Another lesson left unlearned. Nails like lightning in a velvet glove. Whisper to the pliers, honey, show me love. Loose wires humming hymns of discontent. A half-built world where the blueprints bend.
Somewhere between the third tequila sunrise and a fifth dimension's garage sale, I found God in a bent Allen wrench. She laughed and said, "Child, you built your own hell."
Another unused toolbox in the shed. Gears down, but the Next time, doll. Next time.